Heather here. I just wanted to share some tips for anybody that's doing the 21-day fix with me. I just want to let you know this is for me. It doesn't mean that you have to do it or that it will even work for you, but I'm a visual person. I need to see things and make it easy. I don't want to think about anything during this program. I'm busy. I have 3 kids. I drive them to school. I go to work. I just want it to be very simple. You'll see if you open up the book, it'll tell you, what goes in your yellow container, what goes in your purple, what goes in your blue, all of that. I don't want to open up this book every morning because I don't remember what goes in what container. I don't hold information like that well. So for me to do it the way I'm going to show you, it just makes sense. There's obviously read through this book. It's awesome. I am going to use this book every day for ideas. I am not going to use this book every day to figure out what goes in my blue container, what goes in my red container. So what I did, I labeled everything. So these orange containers are for my seeds, my oils, dressings. My blue is for my cheese and my fats. Yellow is for my carbs. Red is for my protein. Green is for my vegetables. And purple is for my fruit. And that way, it's nice and easy. But what I didn't do that I am going to do once I'm done making this video, and definitely use a permanent marker, by the way. That way if you do throw them in the dishwasher, it doesn't wash off. Well, it could scratch off, but you could always go over it. So if I don't have my cover on my container, what do you notice? It doesn't say protein. I'm not gonna know. I'm the type of person, I'm not gonna remember. Again, I don't wanna think about it, so I'm gonna go ahead and label all 4 sides on each container. And again, that's just for me. You may hold information and look at the book once and remember that vegetables go in the green, protein red, purple is your fruit. I'm not gonna remember that. I might, but I'm telling you right now, I probably won't. So that's one of my tips. The other thing I just want you guys to know is I don't want you to think that these containers have to go with you if you're going to work or just throughout the day. I don't want you to think, all right, I'm filling a container, put it in the fridge or leave it out on the counter, because there's not a lot of containers here. It looks like a lot, but not for if you're planning 3 meals and then snacks all in between. So what I do is I want to talk about Shakeology first. It's just a no-brainer with the 21-day fix because you could replace 1 meal, so then you only really have to worry about 2 meals. So every morning I have Shakeology. You might be more of a breakfast person and really need eggs or oatmeal, so go right ahead and do that. You can just go ahead and have one for lunch or dinner, and you can switch it up throughout. If you don't feel like having breakfast one morning, you just drink your shake. Same thing in the evening. If you don't feel like bothering with dinner, have a shake. It's just easy and it fits into the program so easily. That's what I love about it. So my next tip is, like I said, these are really for measuring. You can take them with you to go. I don't really like to do that unless I'm in a rush. I might throw some seeds in here and go to work, or throw chicken in here. But mainly what I do is I get a container. If I'm going to have a salad for lunch, I measure out my lettuce in the green container. I pour it right in to my other container. I always like a protein with lunch, so I would fill this with chicken or any other type of protein that you like and pour it right into the container, the same container that you're going to bring with you. I also like cheese in my salad, so I'll probably fill this with feta or mozzarella cheese, and it's all measured out, and you just, again, pour it right in there. You might like fruit in yours. I'm not a big fruit person, but strawberries on a salad with almonds or something like that is really good. I like that in the summer. Put your lid on, shake it up. It's good to go to work. This would be for your dressing. I wouldn't, if I was packing my lunch, I would not put this on because I'm not into soggy lettuce. I like it to be on there fresh, and these do not pack well. So I would take this and put some saran wrap on there and then put it in a Ziploc baggie. And then you can place it right inside. So if it does spill, it's just going to get on your salad, which is fine. I think that this the simplest way to do it. Again, you can do it however you want. The plan is made to just be easy. You don't have to go out and buy crazy stuff. You go in and you look at the list. I would start by just checking off things that you like, and things that you have in your fridge anyways. Use up everything you have at home. Tuna fish, cans of tuna fish with the easy open lid are perfect for on the go to work. You don't need a can opener. You just bring that. Nuts are really easy. Peanut butter, you don't even have to bother putting the peanut butter in here. You can have a bag and just throw peanut butter in there, a big jar of it, and bring a tablespoon with you, a teaspoon with you, and measure everything out that way when you're at work. So you don't, if you're rushing in the morning, you don't have to start measuring right away. But it's nice to have a bag ready of things to go at all times that you can bring with you. Like I said, like the tuna, the peanut butter, the almond butter, things like that. So I definitely will have more tips for everyone. I can't wait to get started and excited. And